demonstrating for you how to install an AquaPure drinking water filtration system. To begin, you'll need a few tools: a drill and a drill bit, a screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, a flashlight, and a pencil. First, you're going to want to make a choice between whether you're going to put a new hole in your countertop to accommodate the water filter system, or whether you're going to reuse something that's already there and that you just aren't using. In this particular case, I've chosen to remove the spray handle because we're not using it, and we're just going to use that hole right there.
To disconnect the base of the sprayer, all you need to do is find it underneath the sink and simply turn the screw that attaches it until it starts coming loose, taking care not to get hit in the head when the thing falls off.
To install the faucet that comes with the unit, it has a blue tube on it that's going to go under your sink. It's important the order that you put the pieces of hardware that they supply. The first piece that's going to go on the blue tube is the decorative cover for the counter. So put that on first, then the black washer. If you are drilling a hole in the countertop, that's all you'll want to put on right now. The rest will be put from underneath. In our particular case, because we are doing it from a hole that's already there, we will go ahead and put on the remaining three pieces, which are in this order. First, put what they call the star washer, then put the solid silver washer, and then the nut. Just go ahead and stick the blue tube into the hole.
Okay, go ahead and stick the spacer that they provide right onto the base, just below the counter, before you get to any of the washers that you've just put on. And then just go ahead and screw it up. Like that.
Next, you're going to want to figure out where you're going to mount the filter system. Take the top, line up the base, and put it in your cupboard, giving yourself about 5 inches below where the bottom of the filter is, so that you have sufficient room to pull the filter out when you need to change it. Then go ahead and mark the holes where you're going to drill. Now go ahead and turn off the cold water valve, which is always the valve on the right. Locate where the cold water tube connects to the faucet, and it's right here for us. I recommend finding a small flat container to put in your cupboard underneath where you're going to be disconnecting, because you will have some drips.
Go ahead and unscrew the cold water valve. Okay, take the gray valve that they supplied and screw it on to the cold water valve that you just disconnected. Make sure that this is not facing the wall, because it's really hard to connect the tube into that end if it is. And then just go ahead and reconnect the cold water to the bottom of that. Okay, now take the end of the yellow tube and stick it into the hole.
Now that you've got the tubes connected, go ahead and take the top and put it into the cupboard where you put your screws. Once again, push it in as far as it'll go and give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Then take the other end of the yellow tube and attach it to the hole at the top. Do the same thing. So take the two filters that it came with, look for filter 1, it'll be labeled. Remove the red cap and put it over in the slot that says filter 1. You'll notice that the bottom of the filter, where the filter's going to go, it's not just a circle, it aligns with the same shape as they have the top of the filter. Be sure to line up this notch with the same spot in where you're going to be putting the filter, or it won't go in. Okay, push it up tightly until it's tight, and then twist, and you'll hear it click in place. And then just put it back up on the screws. Finish it up by putting on the decorative cover that they give you. It's not critical, but one nice thing is they do include the how to replace the cartridges in the top, just to help you out. Go ahead and turn the cold water back on. Now, there's air in the lines, so you probably will hear it hiss. Run the water for about 10 to 15 minutes to flush the carbon out of all the filters. And then enjoy some cold water. Tastes good. Be sure to sign up for our eFilter Refresh program, where you save on shipping and you never have to remember to order replacement filters. We send you just the filters you need when you need to replace them. No membership fees, no binding contracts. Cancel at any time. It's that easy. To find out more, call us at 1-800-779-1340. Enjoy. The drill bit, screwdriver.
All right, let's do it one more time.
Okay. 3 times is a charm.